Hello everyone, let's solve question 31 of GATE CS1 paper 2025. Consider the following function fx, where fx is equal to ax plus b for x less than 1 and x cube plus x square plus 1 for x greater than equal to 1. If the function is differentiable everywhere, the value of b must be dash, rounded off to 1 decimal place. Okay, so this is basically place-wise function. It is a calculus prerequisite problem, and let's understand that how to particularly solve this. So, a place-wise function is defined when different expressions for different domains are present for a valid input x. So, in this particular question, fx is equal to ax plus b for x less than 1 and x cube plus x square plus 1 for x greater than equal to 1. The function has two definitions, for one value for less than 1 and another for greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1. Let's understand continuity. So for a function to be differentiable at a point, it must be continuous at that point. So first step is to ensure that the two expressions give the same value at x equal to 1 to check the continuity. So let's do that. Limit x is equal to 1 of negative f of x is equal to limit x of 1 positive is equal to f of 1. Let's check. We have to check that in this particular case. Let's once we are done with that, let's go to differentiability. So a function is differentiable at a point if the left hand derivative is equal to the right hand derivative. Let's go for step-by-step solution of this particular problem. So let's first check the continuity at x equal to 1. So for x less than 1, fx is equal to ax plus b, and for x greater than equal to 1, fx is equal to x cube plus x square plus 1. So limit of x less than x is equal to 1 of negative, that means ax plus b is equal to limit of 1 x is less than 1 positive x cube plus x square plus 1. So evaluating the both sides for x equal to 1, what we will get is so left hand side will be a plus b, right hand side will be 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1, that is equal to 3. So for continuity, a plus b is equal to 3. For continuity, I am saying, let's go through the differentiability factor. So one thing we figure out that a plus b is equal to 3, and let's go to the differentiability factor for x equal to 1. So when we do that, fx is equal to ax plus b. So f dash x, which is this differentiation, that will be equal to a, and for x greater than 1, f dash x will be for x greater than 1. If I greater than equal to 1, it will be dy dx of x cube plus x square plus 1 is equal to 3x square plus 2x. LHD is equal to a, left hand derivative is equal to a, right hand derivative is equal to 3 into 1 ka square plus 2 into 1, that is 5. So we figure out that a is equal to 5. Okay. So one piece of information we got, that a should be equal to 5. So once we figure out uh, one was the so a is equal to 5, and we figure out that a plus b is equal to 3. So a b will be equal to 3 minus a. Okay. So b will be equal to 3 minus 5. That is equal to minus of. So substituting the value, so the final answer will be negative of 2. And now, since the answer is required to up to 1 decimal part, so the answer will be negative of 2.0, up to 1 decimal places. So the correct answer of this particular question is negative of 2.0 minus 2.0. That's it for this particular question. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.